Kajai benriu tiwa ne lalung bal jutip paiba ka bujusong jusa gi benta ka rai lempoj hapo ka jinsen char usim gi ma khairim hari boy district ka judon la ka jong ka shat rai jong ka ya ka bujutip kum ka shat sokra kade ka shat kade ka bujup long chi sin ha ki san snem bal mentau snem ka lade ka samoy jong ka shat na ka jai benriu tiwa bal sedang ha ki light si lenter lalu ka hanyo trik yong aja afsan aduh nen ka singi ka khatlai trik yong aja afsan belum ka thong ne ka dak wan wan ra ek shong suk shong san ai thu I thau praja bil reu bo wan ra ru ya ka mensim go jing tli ki khun samla wan baro ki khun ki hajar jo ka rai bat hapo ki te gilai sngi kin thi lapan long ya ka aingu aidam yo blai baju khat kum potol maji wan kerpat kerpon ban yo ko yakhya ba ka tre ka khata ba pahu pahai itiar tem baju bulan kam hapo jong ki te gilai sngi kin thop ya ka kram baju tip kum ka bom ka pangsi bajutip kum besli katurang bajutip kum ke besli jrong mara ru yau kum latip kum song sentiu kum kadak kireng sir ulai dama lane lakai bolong kadak jong kedengim mos pari bolong kadak jong blang yong utho pakum bolong kadak jong sla sentiu balai lam nanti rang ba bapau ringkat kiriam tenrai ketika syat bajutip kum kana syuni belapen bit penbiang ya ketika lempung syat belaju penlong hakawe ni jika kentang aplau jong ke ying sat belajutip kum kathini muslung thin tha khal ne ka them balong hu jong ki lai ngot ki kin thei juru hapo ki te lai sngi la khang ban bam do man penyap do ne pejar snam mi kimran bala khang ru man phong patrun jrong bat ban phong ki juti shua ka te shat la ju hikai begitu bandung saka lempung shat inhap sha hikai ka basimpor kumba sau ar sngi ai haden kata ki sahiar selumpung shat bat shua ban hiar ki ra ki sej bala thang da ka ding bat bret ki kum kadak ban be sha jingai ka mesim bomman ba jakhlia ha ka step ka basau mari kut ka shat ki pelong jing rung ying sai ki sau ne sandli ying ka belong kum ka jing pen kut ya ka te shat sokra lasaki ha ka sing sedang kan ni jing le nyam do emily ka mau ti consensi ba charles mangar kum kongsan haringkat ki longsan ki mansan ki doloi jong ka lumpoj bagi khun ki hajar ni south league snong berang ha po jing pe jing kmi rai lumpoj ha bakren kum kongsan na kaliang ba charles mangar rakit bok ki riang ul airu ki jingero ki nailam bat ki blane penne pensa ikatan rai bat ka riti rustur balara ru ikubor babhatam ban pentip sabaro ki nong snong belang hate ke sngi baya surok hendo ban poi shegithan jong ketika raj kemudian ke jing jalan kumba 100 kilometer ai kata nadu laper hadu lempoj ban sedang no ban pentrei ban sangrong haki kindiat banai ban sawan ban pensuk ya kalik kawan jong ki hagi snam ki banwan.
This is believed as a Sograkham Borough of Randumpo celebrating once in every 5 years since time immemorial. And also it dedicates to the villagers, community to abide good health and to honor the Paminde Podolmaji, the Almighty God. In local language, it is pronounced as Sogra Bara, which means the highest honoring festival, Chat Sogra, to the religious faith of the right villagers of the Lumpuri right. In this festival, they dance 3 days, day and night continuously. It is connected with Goba King also. Materials uses in this Sogra are kram means drum, pangsi means flute, turang means a long flute. As a musical instrument, kum means decorated flower. As a sign, deer antlers. Laidamalai means banana leaves. As a sign of bear or moss pari or moss. Moss pari, a sign of blackbird. A topakum, a pampas grass flower. A moss senior old man. Head leading person. Resangar and other traditional traces, and all this in one word we call as Nashuni. a spirit that leads them to shake their bodies and dance. It has its strong customary laws implies to the festival during ongoing of Sogra dance, where no one is allowed to eat meat, shedding animals' blood, or killing animals. One long band or footwear, and one footwear. In fact, the deity god of this community take a rest in these occasions, and no puli bidan is done. Means animal sacrification is not available except dry fish, and dry fish is the only food item accepted and consumed by deity god Podol Maji. And also villagers can eat only dry fish as their food item and allowed to eat which have no flesh or which have no blood in its flesh. The procedure of the Sogra Kham goes like this. First of all, the Parika, proclaimer, will call mel, means meeting. All religious dignitaries such as Loro, means Lengdo, Longdo, Doloi, and other members of the Dorbar or the religious ceremony, who are the head of the religious ceremonial, in order to discuss the agenda of the Sogra Kham, whether to celebrate or not in this year. If all dignitaries and elders could bring unanimous resolutions to the agenda of festival celebration, then they will fix the day to fix the first norm as customary basis. The fixations day should be always a Wednesday, the midst day of the week. After 21 days from the day of fixation, or otherwise, sometime depend on the possibility of the villagers where the might start early. Rehearsal dance will start from Wednesday to Friday continuously up to the 42 days. After the completion of 42 days of rehearsal dance, in between of these days, all the dignitaries will meet for second time among elders to fix the day to start Sogra Baro, which means 3 days continuous dance. Whereafter to fix the date of starting Sogra Baro, they will start other work on regards to this Sogra Kham till the arrival of date. At the end of the rehearsal dance, the Sogra Sa Misawa, they will submit this evil spirit by throwing bamboo burning fire. It has done yesterday. Then in 3 number of midday of the week, they will start decorations and preparations of all the necessary materials for distinguished portfolios. In that day before twilight, all the materials they will place on Samadhi and kept properly. Then at the very dawning moment of the next day, they will dress up and put all the materials uses for performance. Whoever holds their different portfolios, Kham Yala. Then around 9:30 to 10 sharp, the opening program will begin at the ground Samadhi Shadaliv of the Samadhi before going to different dignitaries' house visiting dance. The house visiting dance will continue till 3rd day night. The program event will end on 4th day morning. Then again as a closing ceremony, music-less dance will be performing at Samadhi Shadaliv, ground of Religious Ceremonial Institute. Then they will visit 4 to 5 houses. After they have finished house visiting dance, as it has mentioned in the briefing part, lastly they will come to the end by doing customary practice as closing ceremony. The end. This is the end of the about Sogra Kham.
Napure hebe kham go trale. Porpistare sursuan gomantong. Ang thongye noltong. Nasok napure nemnudi kanthi churi Kora hai dono honandi. Ang sidong nabure chanadi tongo hanande nabure raito. Kayat sing ay tayo skim handam. Tikane ang tao rati aku juban chaidong ang napura skim osong shamadi ulonamushi. Aru kisha patra gonabure akosi osa mushi khadli odong khadli dong. Hena bure lumpun ne phana pu umlapera thuke hebe kining chonai ne ningo lamsin jina chorebo. I'm very happy to announce today that this road from Umlaper to Lumpur, 15.600 kilometers, will be constructed very soon, within this month.